Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Have you got a new Samsung phone and installed WhatsApp? However, you can't find your chat history, including photos and videos. These precious memories can only be accessed on your old Samsung phone, and you want to transfer all your WhatsApp data to the new device. This process may seem troublesome and frustrating, but don't worry, this video will help you solve the problem. Method 1. Use iCareFone transfer to move WhatsApp. If you need to handle large amounts of data or the backup process fails, this is the ideal choice. This method allows you to directly transfer all data and even save it on your computer, ensuring speed and security. Here's how to do it. First, connect your old Samsung phone and new Samsung phone to your computer using a data cable. Then open iCareFone transfer and select the WhatsApp transfer option. Make sure the source and target devices are correctly recognized, then click Transfer. The software may prompt you to back up WhatsApp data on the source device before transferring. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the backup. After the backup is complete, the software will extract your WhatsApp data from the source device. The duration of this process may vary depending on the amount of data. Afterwards, you can choose the file types you want to transfer. Click Continue, and the transfer process will begin. Please wait for the process to complete, after which you can verify if the WhatsApp data has been successfully transferred to the new Samsung phone. As you can see, iCareFone transfer simplifies complex operations into a single click, making it perfect for beginners. It ensures that data is not lost and can not only transfer WhatsApp data, but also backup data locally to your computer. Method 2. Using Google Drive. This method is relatively cumbersome and not very user-friendly, but you can still try using Google Drive to transfer WhatsApp data from an old Samsung device to a new Samsung device. First, ensure that your Google Drive has enough space and that all chat histories are backed up. To proceed, open WhatsApp on the old Samsung, go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup, and select Backup to Google Drive. Before backing up on the new Samsung, make sure that end-to-end encrypted backup is turned off and two-step verification is disabled. Log in on the new Samsung with the same phone number and Google account. WhatsApp will recognize the backup and prompt you to restore it. Wait for the process to complete. If Google Drive can detect the backup, it should work normally, but it has some limitations, such as not being able to select specific items to restore. And if the backup does not appear, the restore may fail. Therefore, I still recommend using iCareFone transfer, as it is safer, faster, and more convenient. If this video is helpful to you, I hope you can like and subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.